Hello, Fáilte Ganar, you're talking. Seaclada Hochjeg, this is programme 18. Today we'll talk about something we all like doing, that is, taking holidays. The first sentence you'll need to know is Tamagullar Sida, I'm going on holidays. Tamagullar Sida go Gaeilge, I'm going to Galway on holidays.
Hello, Linda. Could you tell me?
Go maith nóra. Tá má galar sira go Gaeilge.
Cahal tú gáil?
Tá má galar sira, chefa ma tú. Ul tú gemacht?
Tá Jeffram, tá má galar sira inniu.
Tá má galar sira. I'm going on holidays. Tá má galar sira.
Aren't they the lucky ones? The first question people will ask you is, where are you going on your holidays? Cahat. Where? Cahat.
Tá má galar séad an chartan se hagan.
Ó go bre, cahéit?
Tá má gá go Jean rank.
Wil tú galar sira bríd?
Tá, tá má go Macedóní.
Cait wil tú gal?
Go dtí an Spáin.
Oh, hello, Fiona. Could you tell me? What's your galar sira?
Ta.
Cahet.
Gasasna. Go Jean rank to France. Go Jean Spain to Spain. Gasasna to England. Let's watch those again and also look out for a chat and hugging next week.
Tá má galar séad an chartan se hagan.
Ó go bre, cahéit?
Tá má gá go Jean rank.
Wil tú galar sira bríd?
Tá, tá má go Macedóní.
Cait wil tú gal?
Go dtí an Spáin.
Oh, hello, Fiona. Could you tell me? What's your galar sira?
Ta.
Cahet.
Cahet. Where? Cahet. Tá má gail go Sasanna. I'm going to England. Tá má gail go Sasanna. Tá má gail go Jean Spain. I'm going to Spain. Tá má gail go Jean Spain. Tá má gail go Jean rank. I'm going to France. Tá má gail go Jean rank. A teachtain se hagan. Next week. A teachtain se hagan.
So now you know how to say that you're going on holidays and where you're going. On hearing this, most people will want to know how long you're going for. Cad. How long? Cad. If you're going for a week, you say ar fa seachtaine. Have a look at these.
Ul tú galar sira?
Tá, tá má gá go Jean Yarmain.
Oh, cahat.
Ar fai seachtaine.
Hello, Amwi. Seo Sheila.
Ah, Hila. Could you tell
Tá má go mai. Tá má galar sira.
Ah, Cahad.
Ar fai cice.
Well, again, Jucklam, could you not?
Bhailim a hallar sira.
Cahat?
Ar fé mísa.
Or from Misa?
Poor Shan. He wanted to go for a month. Ar fa Misa. He might have got away with a fortnight. Ar fa Kirkishe for a fortnight. Have another look.
Ul tú galar sira?
Tá, tá má gá go Jean Yarmain.
Oh, cahat.
Ar fai seachtaine.
Hello, Amwi. Seo Sheila.
Ah, Hila. Could you tell
Tá má go mai. Tá má galar sira.
Ah, Cahad.
Ar fai cice.
Well, again, Jucklam, could you not?
Bhailim a hallar sira.
Cahat?
Cahad. How long? Cahad. Ar fai seachtaine. For a week. Ar fai seachtaine. Ar fai cice. For a fortnight. Ar fai cice. Ar fai mísa. For a month. Ar fai mísa.
Let's listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Tamagullar Sida and Cahad.
Jan, ceach bhfuil tú?
Go on, agus tú hain.
Go má. Cad tú gáil?
Tá mar go ar síra dín rank.
An des. Cynad.
A fear seachtainna.
An tú bhí hí.
Ó go maithe Caitlín.
Gaban tú dul.
Tá me dul ar saoire go sligach.
It's now time for our visit to Ballimore. Deirdre is too embarrassed to talk to either Shan or Michal. Listen out for the phrases Tamatogal Sira, I'm taking a holiday, and Kutiru Tushin, why did you say that? You'll hear Deirdre's mother asking her, Kyaku Dinyas Farliat, which of them do you prefer? And telling her to be careful, be Kudamach.
Am I to Jim on taxi nu?
Ní bhé buchas le dia. Ba me gaiisteach. Imagine folk na radio.
Slán, chippy metron ownership.
Slán.
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 Níl tú gáil obair in Johamai.
Ní bhí mar gobar a bheith caiise. Tá má tóga síre.
Is maisin. Tá de gobar ráhrú ai. A bhhaile brúnile?
Roi.
Níl is gom go tí nach chuir Georgia scartear mar réir.
Hello? Louise and Shaw? Deirdre? Cé seo?
Michal McKee.
Fan ba man le a hall. Deirdre, phone?
Cé Tom?
Michal McKee.
Níl man seo.
Níl tú... Níl Deirdre and Shaw. Cé seo go sí san áfscail?
Ceart go leor. Gur am maithigad. Slán.
Catíir tú sin?
Ná sugum. Tánig sé Hammond agus Michal McKeary chéile.
Agus ceacu den is fearlaat?
Smaile man bhar teacu. Ní má cinnte. Ó bhámai, go dtí dhéan hima.
Bhí cúrama. Bhfuir tú fáil Ogfried an scriptar réir.
Fuir.
Conor Blair,
Se,
tá fáilte ród.
gur maithigad.
Transcript. Bhil aine go ar chihín ó marthú.
Tí me tú?
Ag mai.
Tá sé go mai gan gáiste. Cé seo?
When you hear that someone's going on holiday, you might ask, Keta Golyat, who's going with you? Keta Golyat. Or Keta Golyev if speaking to more than one person. Keta Golyev. Watch these scenes and look out for Mochara, my friend. Mochara.
Slán a bhí hil. Tif mar maidin tú.
Ní cílíam. Tá má gáil ar saoire.
Agus cita gá leat.
Má bhain.
Bhil tú dul ar síra Linda?
Tá má go go London for seaartne.
Cit a go lad?
Má chara.
Cé?
Jennifer.
Dim a teisih, bhil se go ar síra?
Tá, tá mynd i gael Kerry.
Cit a go liv?
Na poisci. Gotchigi.
Did you notice in that last scene, the man said, Tamajagol Gakiri, we're going to Kerry. Mudge is used when there's more than one person. Tamajagol or Sida, we're going on holidays. Watch it again.
Slán a bhí hil. Tif mar maidin tú.
Ní cílíam. Tá má gáil ar saoire.
Agus cita gá leat.
Má bhain.
Bhil tú dul ar síra Linda?
Tá má go go London for seaartne.
Cit a go lad?
Má chara.
Cé?
Jennifer.
Dim a teisih, bhil se go ar síra?
Tá, tá mynd i gael Kerry.
Cit a go liv?
Na poisci. Gotchigi.
Kit a gáil live when speaking to more than one person. Kit a gáil live. Kit a gáil leat. Who's going with you? Kit a gáil leat. Machara, my friend. Machara. Táid a gáil ar saoire. We're going on holidays. Táid a gáil ar saoire.
If you're going away by yourself, you say Tá má gáilm hain. I'm going by myself. Tá má gáilm hain.
Fuistigi! Tá me se galar sire agus tá má galam hain.
Bhfuil tú galar sire? Tá má gáil go dtí an Spáine feice.
Bhfuil mé le galad?
Níl, tá má gáil am hain.
Another way of saying that you're going on your own is Tá má gáilm éinear. I'm going alone. Tá má gáilm éinear.
Bhfuil tú galar sire?
Tá má gáil go dtí rangte cedain.
Cit a galar?
Tá má gáil am éinear.
Let's have another look.
Fuistigi! Tá me se galar sire agus tá má galam hain.
Bhfuil tú galar sire? Tá má gáil go dtí an Spáine feice.
Bhfuil mé le galad?
Níl, tá má gáil am hain.
Bhfuil tú galar sire?
Tá má gáil go dtí rangte cedain.
Cit a galar?
Tá má gáil am éinear.
Tá má gáil am éinear. I'm going by myself. Tá má gáil am éinear. Tá má gáil am hain. I'm going by myself. Tá má gáil am hain.
Today we're going to look at place names which have the words for bogs, marshes and swamps in them. The word bog that we use in English is actually the Irish word bug, meaning soft. Bug. Peat bogs have long been our most important source of solid fuel. But in days gone by, before the time of refrigerators and deep freezers, the bogs were also used as a storage place for certain foodstuffs. Mowing is the word for turf, and in place names it refers to a peat bog. The following words all mean swamps and marshes: Sheskin, Anach, Bugach and Corcach. You'll hear them all in the following place names. Again, they are Mowing, Sheskin, Anach, Bugach and Corcach.
Shishkanor, dun-coloured marsh. Collechanach, woody place of the swamp. Ballinwuggy, town of the swamp. Corky, swamp.
Butter was the most common food stored in the bog, and even today people come across butter that was put in the bog centuries ago and for some reason forgotten about. We'll have a look at some which is on display in the Donegal County Museum. This piece of butter was found in Falcarra by a farmer called Peter Ferry. It weighed 3 stone and was wrapped in straw and grass. Mr. Ferry tasted the butter after he found it. Experts tell us that it probably dates from the 15th or 16th century. Sometimes the butter was stored in wooden caskets like this one, which was made from hollowing out a single piece of wood. And now, how do we plan to travel to our holiday destination? You can go Erinachilan by plane, Erawad by boat, and if it's not too far away, Eratrain by train.
Bhfuil tú galar sire bríd? Tá, tá me go Marchedóní. Cait bhfuil tú gal? Go dtí an Spáin. Agus bhfuil tú galar an Netherland?
Bhfuil tú galar sire? Tá má gáil go dtí ní Armain.
Ó, cad?
Fé seachtaine. Bhfuil tú galar roiad? Níl, tá má galar an Netherland.
Go dtí matáisih? Bhfuil sibh galar sire?
Tá.
Go héit?
Go sasna.
Bhfuil sibh galar an Netherland?
Níl, tá muidir galar a bhád ar a train.
If you were going by car, you'd say Tá má gáil sa char, I'm going by car, or Tá muidir gáil sa char. Watch them again.
Bhfuil tú galar sire bríd? Tá, tá me go Marchedóní. Cait bhfuil tú gal? Go dtí an Spáin. Agus bhfuil tú galar an Netherland?
Bhil tú galar sire? Tá, tá má gaga dín jarmain.
Ó, cad?
Fai seachtainne. Bhil tú galar roed? Níl, tá má galar an netlan.
Go dé matá sih? Bhil sib galar sire? Tá. Cahet? Gasasna? Bhil sib galar an netlan?
Níl, tá má galar a wad ar a trein.
Bhil tú galar síre?
Tá má gaga dín rangte cedain.
Cid a galan?
Tá má gala me éar.
Bhil tú galar na chilan?
Níl, tá má gal sa háir agus ar a wed.
Tá má gal sa char. I'm going by car. Tá má gal sa char. Tá má galar an netlan. I'm going by plane. Tá má galar an netlan. Tá má galar a train. I'm going by train. Tá má galar a train. Tá má galar a wed. I'm going by boat. Tá má galar a wed.
So where will you be staying during your holidays? Cahatcha me tú fannacht. You might be staying in a hotel, be ma fannacht in Austin. Have a look at these.
Wat tú gimar tantain?
Tá má galar síre go bil fearsteir fag seachtaine.
Caiite mé tú fanart?
Be má fanart an Austin.
Hallo, Linda, go me tú? Go maithe nóra. Tá má galar síre go Gaeilge. Cait me tú fanart? Be má fanart le manchin.
As you heard there, Linda was going to stay with her aunt. If you're going to stay in a guest house, the word to use is teach lostin. Be ma fanat the teach lostin. I'll be staying in a guest house.
Slán a bhí hill, tef mar maidin tú. Ní cílíam. Tá má galar síre. Agus cit a galat. Má bhain. Me sé fanart an Austin? Ní bhé. Be me de fanart a de láistí.
Let's look at those again.
Wat tú gimar tantain?
Tá má galar síre go bil fearsteir fag seachtaine.
Caiite mé tú fanart?
Be má fanart an Austin.
Hallo, Linda, go me tú? Go maithe nóra. Tá má galar síre go Gaeilge. Cait me tú fanart? Be má fanart le manchin.
Slán a bhí hill, tef mar maidin tú. Ní cílíam. Tá má galar síre. Agus cit a galat. Má bhain. Me sé fanart an Austin? Ní bhé. Be me de fanart a de láistí.
Ba ma fannacht de jalostin. I'll be staying in a guest house. Ba ma fannacht de jalostin. Cahéite me tú fannacht. Where will you be staying? Cahéite me tú fannacht. Austin. Hotel. Austin.
People will ask you if you're looking forward to your holiday. Will tú súil go mór leis? Are you looking forward to it? Will tú súil go mór leis?
Bhil tú galar síre bhríd?
Tá, tá má go marcha dóní.
Cait bhil tú gal?
Go dtí an Spáin.
Agus bhil tú galar an netlan?
Tá.
Bhil tú súil go mór leis?
Tá cinse.
Fistigi! Tá má sé galar síre. Tá má galam héin agus tá má súil go mór leis.
Hallo, Linda, go me tú? Go maithe nóra. Tá má galar síre go Gaeilge. Cait me tú fanart? Be má fanart le manchin. Bhil tú súil go mór leis? Tá máid súil go mór leis.
Tá má súil go mór leis. I'm looking forward to it. Tá má súil go mór leis.
Back now to Ballamore, where Connor continues his acting career doing some radio ads, Fogry Radio. Meanwhile, there's a very pleasant surprise in store for Louise. The only new phrases you'll hear are Win ma commertas, I won a competition, and Mi na mala, honeymoon.
Is brelam an na bursha.
Bhil si bhré?
Bhil tú galar síre.
Well, bhailam.
Ar bhhaile tú gal go dín rank.
Rágéir.
Go dín Spáin.
Ráhé.
Go dtí fan lisín mór. Jeú seachtaine an nástanach ric ar 8 pont. Cur glíoch ar 55, 55, 9.
Cuig, an ní. An leisín mór, a tá má súl go mór leis.
Cwyd y gola wa mai?
Mae gael y sir y híine.
Ar sire? Gahed?
Wyn mae cymartys. Dyma gael gyparis dan jyr y siartana.
Wow! Wyd y gola hyn?
Bywailam. A ni higlam. Ta da ar y golam.
Wyles i gyffoel?
Nieles.
Paris dan jyr y siartana. O, ta sy'n go hyn ta wa mai.
Ta ma sŵl gymor leis.
Slán.
Slán.
Nín tú ag asra go minic?
Nes is a ríist, is chaman í taxi me.
Ach fe dir dran sio.
Bei.
Stop! Ol ty goler yn echelon.
Pa?
Wow, walong sy fe ma filete. An caclyn Blair yn sio.
Oh, en seo taisib.
Hi, Adi.
Lle mae'r tete?
Gymasere, fi droch le agam rísin yw.
O, ro.
Gydje seo?
Fe mae dylio ti eisiau fast yn yw.
Beliele.
Wyn mae cymartys. Jyr y siartana i baris. Fanat yn ostan elen.
Moet ik al het heen?
Iel.
Mien malle ríis. En ma súl go mór leis.
Sinead on Chláir Show. Next time we'll look at some of the language we use when speaking to children and close friends. Gajishan, Slán Tamil.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Tá má galar sire,
Tá muid galar sire.
cahéid,
Tá má gal go dín rank.
Tá má gal go dín spáin,
Tá má gal go sasanna.
teachtan se hagann,
Cahad.
ar feidh seachtaine,
Ar fa creice.
ar feidh mísa,
Kit a gal leat.
cit a gal libh,
Má chara.
Tá má gal am héin,
Tá má gal a ménar.
Tá má gal ar an Echelon,
Tá má gal ar a wad.
Tá má gal ar a tréin,
Tá má gal sa char.
cahéid me tú fannacht,
Be má fanat an ostan.
ba má fanart a de láistín,
Tá má súl go mór leis.